Hi, I'm Mary.
And I'm Cameron.
We are part of a team of researchers who are studying the relationship between the entertainment industry and our views on serial killers.
We formulated a research question that encapsulated everything we wanted to understand about the relationship between our view on serial killers based on what we watch on TV shows and movies. Our fundamental research question is, how does the entertainment industry influence our repulsion and attraction to serial killers who represent modern-day monsters in the 21st century?
We conducted a survey with 50 students from the University of North Georgia to get a random sample of the population. We asked them 4 yes or no questions. Question 1 was, do you consider a serial killer a monster? 30% said no, and 70% replied with yes.
Question number 2 is, do you feel the entertainment industry portrays serial killers as monsters? 22% of students said no, and 78% said yes.
Question 3 was, do you agree with the statement, humans are repulsed and fascinated by serial killers? 14% said no, and 86% said yes.
And the final question is, do you think the entertainment industry is biased against serial killers? 36% of students said no, and 64% of students said yes.
Following our survey, we interviewed 3 academic scholars with a wide variety of perspective on serial killers. This is Tracy Evans. She has her master's in early childhood education. She's a 4th grade teacher at Culver Elementary. Okay. In one word, how do you feel the entertainment industry portrays serial killers?
Glorify.
Okay. Do you feel that the entertainment industry has a significant influence on our views as a society's view on serial killers?
Yeah, I think the way that you is the only time you get to see both sides of the situation, not only what they do, but because of the entertainment industry, you get to see the whys, their thought processes.
And how do you feel about the statement, the entertainment industry, through TV and movies, influences our repulsion and attraction to serial killers?
I would say that's very true. I think at one time you're ready to turn the TV off or stop the movie, but at the same time you want to know what the outcome is, what happens in the end. And probably most interesting is the why they do what they do.
Okay, thank you.
This is Connor Lax. He's a criminal justice major at Georgia State University. We're going to ask him 3 of our research questions. In one word, how do you feel the entertainment industry portrays serial killers?
Misunderstood.
Okay. Do you feel the entertainment industry has a significant influence on society's views of serial killers?
Yeah, absolutely.
How do you feel?
I mean, just the way that they're portrayed on television, on TV shows. A lot of times in fictional TV shows, they're portrayed as, like horrible, monstrous, unstoppable creatures, or they're often portrayed as sort of suave and kind of complicated, misunderstood souls, like appealing characters.
Okay. How do you feel about the statement, the entertainment industry, through TV shows and movies, influences our repulsion and attraction to serial killers?
Well, I totally agree with the statement. Like I said, I mean, in television shows, you'll either have the monstrous serial killer who, everybody's afraid of, or you have the Dexters or the Hannibal Lecters that everybody is attracted to because they're just suave characters. I think it just depends on which TV show you watch, but I think that either one of those is true. I think they definitely portray them as both appealing and then both repulsive at the same time.
Thank you.
This is Professor Redding. She has a master's degree in English literature and is an English professor at the University of North Georgia. In one word, how do you feel the entertainment industry portrays serial killers?
In one word. Thrilling.
Okay. Do you feel that the entertainment industry has a significant influence on our view of serial killers?
Absolutely. Partly because I know that the entertainment industry and any kind of media has an influence on how we see the world. Our perspectives are shaped not just by how we're brought up, but the experiences that we have, as well as all of the information that we see. So definitely, again, we're already interested and intrigued and attracted and repulsed by the stories of serial killers, but the entertainment industry embellishing and sensationalizing some of it shapes our perception that there are probably more serial killers than there actually are, and that they are, although some serial killers like Jeffrey Dahmer really are every bit as gruesome as they seem, But it definitely shapes our perception, and therefore I would say that it shapes our fears of them. A fear that maybe we shouldn't worry about that much. But television and movies, and even the news media, almost glamorize.
Based on our survey of the general population and our interviews with academic scholars, as well as our research regarding serial killers in the entertainment industry, we were able to come to a conclusion.
We've concluded that the entertainment industry plays a significant role in our repulsion and attraction to serial killers through their bias, betrayal, and negative connotations.